Hello everyone, welcome to Science Gang by Rupesh Ingre. So today we will see general principles and process of isolations of elements. It is part of metallurgy. So we starts with basics. What is free states or native state? A metal which are non-reactive with air, water, CO2 as well as non-metals occurs in free or native state. So what are the examples are? Examples are gold, platinum. As we know, gold and platinum are found in free states. Also copper, silver, mercury occurs partly in free states. So now we move on to combined form. Most of the metals occurs in nature in combined form with other metals. That is, the in these in the forms of compounds like oxide, sulfides, carbonates, sulfates and silicates, etc. Combined form and free states. We have to know every free states compounds and combined form compounds. So now we learn about common terms in metallurgy. So first basic common term is mineral, a naturally occurring substance obtained by mining which contains the metal in free states or in combined state or a form is called as mineral. So next is ore, a mineral containing high percentage of metal from which the metal can be profitably extracted is called as an ore. Here profitably is important whenever you write the definition of ore. Got it? In mineral, the naturally occurring substance obtained by mining. Mining is an important word. You have to must write mining while you writing a definition. So here we learn about what is metal, how classified it and ore. Here metal is iron, mineral is hematite, also ore is hematite. Hematite formula Fe2O3. Fe2O3. So now we move towards metallurgy, a process of extraction of metal in a pure state from its ore. A metal is extracted by mining in a pure state from its ore. It's called as metallurgy. Here is first is pyrometallurgy. Here the meaning of pyro is high temperature. Always remember the meaning of pyro is high temperature. A process in which ore is reduced to their metal at high temperature. Here pyro means high temperature. A process in which ores are reduced to their metal at high temperature using suitable reducing agents like carbon, hydrogen, aluminum is called as pyrometallurgy. Getting? Simply you have to reduce that ore at high temperature. It is called as pyrometallurgy. In hydrometallurgy, a process of extraction of metal from aqueous solution of their salts using suitable reducing agents is called as hydrometallurgy. You just have to process the metal from extract the metals from aqueous solutions getting of their salt. In electrometallurgy, it is simple, a process of extraction of metal by electrolytic reduction of molten or fused metallic compounds is called as electrometallurgy. A process of extraction of metal by electrolytic reduction is called as electrometallurgy. In short, so we learn about gangue. Gangue, a sandy, earthy and other unwanted impurities present in the ores are called as gangue. Simply gangue is a scientific definition scientific name and common name of gangue is impurity. Example, in extraction of iron, silica is the gangue present in hematite. For removal of gangue or impurity, we have various methods to remove gangue or impurity. So thank you. Today we learn about free states, native state, combined state, common terms in metallurgy, minerals, ores, what is mineral, what is ore. Also we learn about metallurgy, what